taking this off. I'm mad at you.
It's a good place for you in there.
She's gonna open it really quick now. Ready? Oh.
She's still standing there. I see her feet.
I'm gonna walk. No, I'm scared. She just leave the door open. No! Why am I really scary?
I think it's funny. She said she was busy cleaning.
I said that I cleaned it and then it was exploded because I had to clean it first.
20 seconds.
What?
19.
No.
18. 17.
I'm still standing here. I need new time.
20. 19. 18. 17. 16. 15. Look at that pile of poop on the floor. Oh, it's on.
Oh. Look at her. That's not okay.
I didn't do it. I sat here and left.
Quite fine.
Oh, okay.
Someone beat someone up. Get closer. I can't see.
I apologize.
You dropped two Yankees.
Yankees? Pick up your Yankees.
They're doodles. Get it straight.
One's Yankee, one's doodle.
Oh, Toby pooted behind the plant. Poot. Lexi, you have a pile of poot right about here.
You're gonna be arrested for disturbing the peace.
Toby's a peace herder. You tell him. Get it.
Toby. Toby. Have that. And yes.
I'm waiting for you to do something silly.
It's difficult when I'm holding such things in my hand.
Put that down and do it again. I can't believe you fell for that. I'm just kidding.
You're right. She did something silly. She listened.
Do it 5 times in a row.
No.
Yeah.
Only 3.
Okay.
4.5.
That's it. Done. I'm not doing it. This one. I can't work with this.
3. 3 is my lucky number, please.
2.5. Yeah, a little bit.
1, 2, and a half.
What a cup do nowadays. It did change that.
It looks like a creature, dude. It does not even look attached to you.
Like a second head or something. Oh my god. That's kind of scary.
She calls the ugliest thing beautiful.
She calls you beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh!
That was a good one.
That was
a good one, Hannah. Bye.
Good night.
Take a bow. Take a bow. Hey, take a bow.
Hey! No more pooping on the couch!
Pooping on the couch? That also didn't work that time. And
You think you can just do that?